Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to extract and copy the full description from any YouTube video. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, open the YouTube Video Description Extractor tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, as you can see, there is an input field labeled YouTube Video URL. Now, go to YouTube and find the video whose description you want to extract, whether it's a popular video in your niche or a direct competitor. Copy that video's share link. Come back to the tool and paste the link directly into the input box. Then click on the red Find Description button. The tool will instantly process the link and generate your extraction results. It displays a clean information card showing the video's thumbnail preview, full title, and real-time stats like views, likes, and comments. Right beside it, you'll also see a dedicated card displaying the total description length in characters. If you scroll down to the video description section, you'll find the full description text formatted cleanly. To grab the entire description for your own research or workflow, simply click the Copy Description button to copy it instantly to your clipboard.